Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So Lux fam, thank you guys so much for holding me down as I have been working on the warehouse. So in today's video, I have a little treat for you before we do the final warehouse tour. I want to show you guys a list of items that you should be looking for at your Dollar Tree right now for event planning. The first one is this large, and this is from the Dollar Tree, this large lantern. You guys, this lantern right now you can get for $5, and I'm going to be using it for a boots on the ground party that I have next month, and this is definitely a steal of a deal and a must-have this fall. The second item that I've been loving at the Dollar Tree, well, let me just say, last year I got these at Pop Shelf. I will say that these are a little bit heavier and more sturdy than the ones I got at the Dollar Tree, but I want to show you guys how similar they look, okay? I got these two at the Pop Shelf last year, but I got these at the Dollar Tree. I paid $8 for these at Pop Shelf. I paid $3 each for these at the Dollar Tree. And I am loving the bow present theme. This is going to be great on buffet decor. You could sit it around your home as accent decor. You could put it under your tree with a battery operated candle. You could use it on your mantle or your accent chess pieces. There are so many different uses. I used them last year in our master bedroom bathroom. And so, yes, I got a total of 4 of the small ones. This taller one, let me see if I can get it for you. This taller one is $8. And it's a little bit taller than this one. So I'm going to be mixing and matching the sizes. Again, that one was from the Pop Shelf. These are both from Dollar Tree. This tall one is $5. This smaller one is $3. But these are must-haves, y'all, for Christmas this year. You can also use it for bow themed events. You can get them in, because now I will say the one from the Dollar Tree, no, the glass does not come out. I thought the glass came out for some reason, but it doesn't. So the ones from the Dollar Tree or the Pop Shelf, the glass does not come out. But I was going to say, you could probably spray painter's tape on the glass and spray that a different color if you'd like. But speaking of glass coming out, I fell in love with these ribbed lanterns. You see that ribbed piece? These were $5. But the glass is removable, so you can paint it a different color. And it's ribbed. It's like just a chimney. You could use the chimney by itself over a candle. I am so in love with this, and it is $5. And it is 9.8 inches tall. And I'm going to mix and match that with the smaller ones that I also got at the Dollar Tree. And I have the ribbed candle and the smaller vase as well. Y'all, these are so gorgeous for events, and ribbed decor is definitely in this year. Another thing that I picked up at the Dollar Tree were these battery operated candles. They come 2 in a pack for $1.25. And they have the little foot on the bottom where you could take these and place these inside of these. If you didn't want to spend a whole lot of money, right? You could do floating. You can't do like a floating candle because, of course, the bottom is not secure. But you could put that in there, or you could use a wider candle if you'd like. Or you can do like a vase inside of the vase. It's up to you. But these are battery operated, and they were 2 for $1.25. And then also, they have these flexible lighters. I got them in white. And I thought this was such a great deal. They are butane lighters. You can refill these, and it's like a little piece down here in the bottom where you can go in and refill it. But they are the flexible lighters that, you know, you could usually only find on Amazon. Really, you know, a lot more than what I paid for those. And so I'm going to share with you guys a few more items that I found walking through Dollar Tree that I thought were definitely worth it. And you guys let me know down in the comments which ones were your favorite. Thank you all so much again for your patience and your support. I promise you this next 3 months, you're going to be getting so much value and content out of this channel that I have been sharing before, but I'm really going to take it up a notch going into the holiday season. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what type of content you'd like to see next, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.